for Game 1 of the 2017 NBA Finals. And the Cleveland Cavaliers return to the place where they experienced their greatest triumph.
I don't like to be satisfied too much. And I'm sitting here once again being able to compete for a championship. So that's what I'm here for.
The Golden State Warriors brought home a title 2 years ago, but are looking to erase memories of last season.
I don't want to feel like what I felt last year, and I'm going to do everything in my power to put us in the best position to win this series.
Here we go, man. It's a tough task for us, but we're ready for it.
Play smart, play tough, play together. Just us. What to do? Just us.
Prior to this season, no two teams had ever squared off in 3 consecutive NBA Finals. That all changes tonight.
Curry inbounds. He'll find Durant as Durant goes around LeBron. By James, who falls down. It's a dunk for KD.
Go to work, all right? Go to work. Come on, man. Let's go.
Tristan Thompson finds James. A lot of thunderous dunks here in the opening period.
Stay with it. He got great looks. Great look.
Curry's got Tristan Thompson on. Fakes, drives, layup. Oh, it's good. Off the glass. Man, is this place loud. The lead is 22, largest of the night. Curry, deep three. Puts it in.
And the Warriors have taken game 1.
Every game is important. You got to focus on what's in front of you. So get that first one, a good feeling. You obviously know there's a lot of work to do.
Real big win game 1. So we can't let our guard down. We know we got to come out and be ready to fight.
I'm just going to tell you I'm coaching tonight and the rest of the series. I'm excited and it's good to be back.
Back, baby. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Irving, step back, shot blocked by Durant, who came over for help. Loose ball to Curry. Curry to Durant. Durant at the three-point line.
Durant pulls back for 3.
Nailed it.
Attack all night.
Curry looking to pass somebody up top, threw it away. Right to LeBron James, turnover.
And James throws it down in his face.
Good job. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Pop was my mentor. He would always tell us in these situations, it's supposed to be hard.
This matchup, 2 of the all-time greats going at it back and forth.
Right side Curry, dribbles on James, brings it back outside, now spins back to his right hand, fakes, comes left hand, drives on James all the way, goes up and scores! What a move by Curry!
Yes, sir.
Curry takes it up quickly to the front court.
Oh, what a pass, and Livingston throws it down! Another masterpiece from Steph Curry. Irving beats LeBron, and he puts up a floater and gets it to go. James with a triple-double, his 8th in the finals, tying Magic Johnson for most finals triple-doubles ever.
Keep scrapping. Keep scrapping. Go, 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 go.
Curry takes a 3 off the dribble.
Steph Curry from downtown!
He's got a triple-double.
Opposing players with a triple-double, only the 2nd time ever in playoff history.
And the Golden State Warriors take a 2-0 lead, and they hand it to Cleveland.
Feels good. Get the win. Hopefully we can bring that momentum to Cleveland.
Did what we were supposed to do at home. Went to.
Don't be satisfied. We got a long way to go. Long way to go.